Hi everyone, it's Irina again, and today we're making lemon curd. It's so very easy in our Magimix Cook Expert, and we're starting with juicing some lemons with our citrus press. Now I've already started it up to save us a bit of time, but I'll show you through. So this is the actual lemon press. You pop it on like so, and in here we have the lemon cone, and it gives you an option to have the other citruses. And I've already done some here. Here's the last piece. I'm going to pop it on here like so. Just pop it on, and then you'll see how easy. Amazing. Okay, so that's the lemon, and you can just see it takes up all of that lemon. So it juices it very, very well. So our lemon press is a really great thing to have if you're juicing lots of citrus. So pop that over here and over here. So it's very, very easy to make lemon curd. So we're going to pop our Magimix on there, and we start with the actual lemon rind. So the lemon rind, the best way to get lemon off a rind is just to peel it with a potato peeler. This way you don't get any pith in it, and the pith is the bitter part. So it's just good to know that. So I'm going to just pop in a lemon rind of 1 lemon and the sugar. Okay, so there's 190 grams of sugar there. So I'll start with just chopping that, chopping that up, and to expert, yes. All right, so we're going to just start it on automatic and slowly increasing, or not the time, increasing the speed, and that blitzes it. Okay, so just bringing that down, so if there's any little bits and pieces that are up on the wall, I'll just pop them down, and you'll see how that actually blitzes that lemon rind right down and mixes it. So I'll just pop it on again. I'll just make it a little bit slower there, and just increase it. I like to increase it slowly. Oops. Excellent. And now just pop everything else inside. So we've blitzed that right down, and we're just popping in 6 eggs. So 6 eggs and 130 grams of butter. Now I like to use salted butter, but really that's up to you. And then it's quite an easy process. So we start with 5 minutes. So let's go back. Okay, so it goes to 5 minutes. 5 minutes all we need. We need it on 7. So on 7 speed and across to 75 degrees. So you want it starting with 75 degrees. So there we go. And so that starts mixing it. And now I'll just stop that because we don't have time to actually cook the whole thing. But for 5 minutes on 75 degrees, that melts it really beautifully and mixes it. And then you open the cap and you leave the cap off, and you put it back on for 15 minutes on the 7 speed for 80 degrees. And when that has finished cooking, so you don't need to touch it after that, that's all you need to do. Oh, and I did forget my lemon juice. Sorry about that. You need to pop your lemon juice in there as well, of the 3 lemons. And when you've finished the 15 minutes of that, this is what you get. This is the outcome. It's quite astounding. Okay, so let's have a look here. Okay, absolutely beautiful lemon curd. Have a look at that. It is just divine. I'll just pop some into one of these little bowls so you can see. And so unbelievable. It's just beautiful. Probably need a spoon here. But there's your lemon curd. Now, lemon curd's fantastic for on scones or on ice cream. It's great for lemon meringue pies. It's just, you just can eat it by the spoonful. It's so delicious. So lemon curd, very easy to make. Give it a go, and I know that you will enjoy it. The family love it. My husband goes insane when I make this. He goes, oh my God, let's make a lemon meringue pie out of it or something like that. So have a go. Very, very simple. And you know, when you have so many lemons on your lemon tree, or your neighbour has, what a great way to use it. Okay, use up those great lemons. All right, see you again, and make that lemon curd. Bye.